Class 10 exercise 2.3 was going on in polynomials. Now question number 3 we had to take up, in which it has been said that we need to obtain all zeros of this expression if two of the zeros are given to you as under root 5 by 3 and minus under root 5 by 3. Okay children, just to recall once again, whatever is the degree of any polynomial, it has those many zeros. So degree of this polynomial, highest power is 4. So this polynomial is likely to have 4 zeros, out of which 2 zeros are given to you. Even if 1 zero was suggested, children, okay, irrational roots always appear in conjugate pair. Means if I say root 2 is one of the root, then automatically minus of root 2 will also be there. Okay, so इस यहाँ पे इसने दोनों दे रखे हैं, बट अगर इसने एक भी आपको दिया होता तो दूसरा आप उसका साइन ऑल्टर करके you could guess two of the roots. Okay, anyways, in this question it has already been given that under root 5 by 3 and minus under root 5 by 3 are two roots. You have to find the other two zeros. 2 plus 2, 4 zeros will be there. Okay, so now we all have studied this in class 9th as well, that if x is equal to anything is the 0, then from here you can obtain the factor. Taking this to the other side, x minus under root 5 by 3, and from here it will become x plus under root 5 by 3. These will be the two factors of this polynomial. Okay, now if these two are the factors, इनका product will also be the factor. ठीक है, अगर 2 and 2 6 को divide करता है, 3 भी 6 को divide करता है, तो 2 3s are 6 भी 6 को divide करेगा. Right? So the product will also be factor of the given polynomial. So we've multiplied these two factors here. So this is now satisfying your identity a minus b into a plus b, which is a square minus b square. So square and root will be cancelled. Okay, now this one, for simplification, we can write this as, taking LCM, 3x square minus 5. Calculations become easier to avoid fraction. सीधे भी करोगे, then also it's fine. No problem, you'll get your answer that way as well. Okay, so if you take LCM, then you can change it like this. Now we will divide the given polynomial, the whole polynomial, by this factor obtained. Here we are doing the division. Okay, so division you have practiced already enough. So we wanted 3x to the power of 4. We already had 3x squared, so x square more will multiply to give you this and this. Here you'll keep copying, alter the sign and whatever. Continue, finish off your division. Obviously you will end up getting the remainder as 0. Factor है तो 0 remainder आना है. Okay, then we'll continue with here. Now whatever quotient we had obtained out there, it divided x square plus 2x plus 1 times. So this one will be factorized further now. This is quadratic, this will have two roots. So इसको आप splitting से भी कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे मैंने identity use कर ली है, a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is a plus b whole square. You could have done it by splitting the middle term, x square plus x plus 1. Whichever way you are getting repeated roots or same factor. Same factor will end up giving you same roots. Okay, x plus 1, one factor, another one also x plus 1. So from x plus 1, your x or your 0 comes out to be minus 1. Same zeros, both the zeros will be same क्योंकि same factor आया है. So the repeated, the remaining two roots will be minus 1 and minus 1 again. Next, for the fourth one, they are saying that this polynomial is being divided by gx, and then you're obtaining your quotient as x minus 2 and remainder as 2x plus 4. So that is given in the question, and they are asking you to find this unknown gx, or divisor I should say. Okay, so we know division algorithm for polynomials written like this, which is same as division algorithm for simple numbers also, that px dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So keeping this division algorithm in mind, our question is to find gx. So जैसे हम change of subject करते हैं solving of any equation में, rx I'll take to the other side. So px was already there, minus rx. When I take rx here, it becomes minus. And then qx was multiplied with this. So in the next step, it will go in the denominator. It will divide the other side. Okay, so gx जो हमें निकालना था can be obtained with the help of division algorithm as dividend minus remainder upon quotient. Okay, put the values. This was your px minus this was your rx, and that was suggested as your qx. Simplifying this, x cube minus x 3x square plus x plus 2, and ये minus की वजह से इनके signs alter हो जाएंगे. This will become plus 2x and this will become minus plus minus 4x to be divided by x minus 2 was our question. Okay, so इसको हमने simplify कर लिया, so that becomes x cube minus 3x square, x and 2x like terms together 3x plus 2 and minus 4, that gives you minus of 2. Okay, has to be divided by x minus 2. So if you continue with that division, so for x cube you would require one x square here, x square into x cube into minus 2x gives you minus 2x square, minus 3 changing sign plus 2x gives you minus x square, the other two copied. Continuing, x multiplied by a minus x would give you again minus x square. Okay, division we've done a number of times, so that's minus x square, minus minus makes it plus 2x. Changing the sign, this gets cancelled, so plus 3x minus 2x now this becomes, which gives you a plus x, and minus 2 will be copied, and we had x minus 2 here, so naturally plus 1 times exactly the same things. Changing the sign, again you end up getting 0 remainder, has to give you 0 remainder because वो उसका quotient था. Okay, so therefore we conclude that our gx or our divisor is going to be x square minus x plus 1.